Simple plan. Work our way outside from the inside. And remove stuff. Hello, Mapara Part 2. What's good? I don't want to talk too much. Like I said, though, in the previous episode, I want us to clean the car, make it look good, make it look like something I can touch and work on. I did buy some stuff. I'll show you what I got. But let me not talk too much. Let's get to cleaning the car. Let's make it look all right. And yeah, I'm going to roll the tunes now. Bye-bye. I know, probably a bad idea to be vacuuming on the ground. Let's move. everybody. So it's like 2 days after I washed the car. It rained, a lot happened. But she's clean. I mean, you can't really see it from here. I'll get a little closer so give you guys a bit of a walk around. But I did say I bought stuff. Let me show you guys what I got. Right, so here's our list of stuff. You've got 1,000 grit sandpaper. That's gonna be so I can clean the bearing journals. We've got, what's this? I think this is 360 grit. This is just gonna be to clean any surface that would need sandpaper. We've got an oil filter. Funny enough, this means Nova in French. Haha. Fire gum. This is so we can reseal up our exhaust manifold. Of course, you need a spray of carb cleaner anytime you're working on a car. Victorines, gasket maker. And finally, the good stuff, the oil. Okay, so vehicle's washed. She looks not so bad. It actually cleaned up pretty good inside. You can't really tell from the outside because, well, the paint's gone. So anyway, so I tried buying the bearings, guys, and they said they need a sample so that they can give me the right size. So I'm gonna remove the bearings on one piston, and then yeah, we're gonna send them over and then come back with the real stuff, with the new stuff, and then fit them in. And then, yeah, try all the stuff out. I really can't believe I'm doing this. I'm supposed to be doing this the right way, which is rebuilding the engine, removing the head so I can remove the pistons properly. But hey, I like being a mule. This is gonna be fun, I think. It's costing me if it's not. But hey, who cares? We're gonna do it anyway. Sidebar. So the vehicle's not 100% clean, right? I will do a full interior detail on it. But like I said, I wanted to get it like workable. So we're gonna do it properly as time goes. But I just want to get this car running because at the end of the day, if it doesn't run, what's the whole point of having it clean, you know? So yeah, I just want to say that because I know you can tell from the camera that there's parts of the car that just need a freaking scrub. But yeah. Alright, so we have to go underneath. I got a jack, and yeah, we're gonna jack up the car on one side, the driver's side, just at least so I could like go underneath the car and go undo the bearings, or the connecting rod cabs, sorry. But yeah, let's get that done. Let's jack up the car. I got some lighting. You guys are actually we're doing this vlog style because I was using my sister's what's this thing? The thing with the circle. This. Yeah, it's not working out, man. This is not working out. I'll get a stabilizer thing. What do you call this? A camera tripod as we go. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take you guys along with for as long as I can. I'm gonna show you as much as I can. We're gonna jack up the car. We're gonna have it up from the ground so I can go underneath. Yeah, I'll show you. I got some lighting as well. So let's get it done, man. Take time. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Jack point, right? Where is it? Yeah. And then I don't have jack stands. They broke, so we're using brakes. Forgive me, but yeah, we're taking this straight to the ghetto, guys. Let's do it. Ghetto solution. We're holding right by the subframe. Stable. Alright, we're going underneath, guys. I got everything I need. The crank pulley is either a 16 or an 18 crank pulley bolt. So I'm gonna need to turn the crank so I can get to the bearings. And then I won't need this 10, but we'll need a 12 for the bearings, and then I'll show you which bearing spun. We are now underneath. Here we are. I already know which one has spun, but here's a quick little trick as how to check. You just grab one, hold on, then you're gonna like rock it that way, that way, and that way, that way, and that way, that way, that way, basically. So we know it's not this one, and alright, we know it's not this one. Whoa, that's a knock. This one's also kind of bad. We know it's not this one. And lastly, where is it? It's my hand. There it is. I think you can also see it move. But yeah, guys, what we're basically going to be doing is swapping the bearings from underneath. The usual process is that you rebuild the engine. You swap them out from the top. You remove the cylinder head, and then you undo these connecting rod caps. You remove the pistons. You also change the rings, and then you check the crankshaft for any scoring. But look, we're sending it anyway. I'm going to clean the bottom end, and then, yeah. Anyway, let's get to removing the piston. Alright guys, we've got a spanner and the crank pulley. I think these are the first cylinders that are gonna come through, 2 and 3. Let's go. Yep, look at that. Cylinder 2 and 3. Hi guys, what's up? I don't know if you heard that, but that sounded like blow by. Anyway, story for later. We're gonna undo the rod cap bolts. Like I said, I want to take 2 sets as examples. So we're gonna take from 2 and 3. I hope you can see right now. Okay, let's do this one first. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's on there. Okay, update. So I had to remove the wheel. We'll deal with this. Oh, by the way, the brakes. Look at that. Look. Gone. The discs, well, not bad, but honestly, they needed replacing because they're like, the whole thing's rusted all the way through. But anyway, yeah, got to turn the crank bolt. Now I'm struggling to undo the connecting rod caps. Those bolts are tough as, guys, it's tough. So I'm basically trying to get enough clearance so that I can fit a metal bar in, so that I can turn the wrench with a metal rod, so I can get a little more swing at it. But hey, it's rough, young. Yeah, no, I wasn't ready for this. It's kids show. Okay guys, update. We're back with a solution. Got a metal rod. See that? Mechanics, you know what I'm doing right now. But yeah, it turned. I'm gonna try to do it again. That is movement. That's movement. I'm gonna undo that whole rod cap. Hold on. Alright, back. I was undoing this one. See? Both. Oh no. We've made it, guys. We have made it. I had to go back and loosen it a little bit, but we're here. The first one. Hope it doesn't fall on me. Sorry. Yeah, no. We're gonna need some light assistance with a cloth, of course. Can't just beat it. I don't have a rubber mallet. Yeah, I'm afraid we're going underneath. I need to show you something. So I kind of went ahead and removed it. Yeah, have a look, right? Journal. Smooth though, like even, yeah, no, that is very smooth. Normal scoring, that is normal. But look at the bearing though, guys. You see that, right? Like I said, the engine was rebuilt before, but check. They used the wrong size bearings, it seems. Cause I mean, here's the cap. I don't know, man. You tell me. Did they use the wrong size bearings or what? Hey. But Alright guys, so here we are. I did 2 pistons, right? So this was cylinder number 2 and this was cylinder number 3. Oh, I've already started experimenting with cleaning the journal guide. So it's working out. 1000 grit sandpaper. It's just removing the dirt. Barely any metal is coming off, so we're winning here. We are definitely winning. So yeah, man, so I got my samples. So I'm not gonna remove the other bearings yet because I wanted us to get the other ones. So as these ones are in a position where I can already change them, we're gonna do 2 at a time. So we're gonna buy the bearings and then install these 2 and then uninstall the old bearings and then, you know, install the new ones. So I'm not gonna uninstall those other ones until we get the new ones. All right, everybody, so I'm ending this video exactly where I wanted to end it, inside the car. So yeah, I got 2 of the connecting rod caps out, the ones that were directly protruding when I turned the crankshaft pulley. What we're gonna do tomorrow is that we're gonna go get the real the real ones, because clearly they used a wrong size because they don't fit properly and they seem smaller than what is actually supposed to be there. So I'm gonna wake up in the morning and then I'm gonna get the other ones. The 3rd video should drop very soon because I'm gonna start filming as of tomorrow when I get the other bearings. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. It's been a while, it's been a lot filming this. Sorry for the bad angles, oh my goodness. We'll get better as we go though, I promise. I intend to. But I really do appreciate it, guys. If you like what you saw today, please do consider subscribing. If you watched through the whole video, man, thank you, Joe. Thank you, man. Yeah, I will see you in the next part that I hope to film immediately tomorrow, because it rained in the morning. So yeah, but anyway, that's besides the point. I'm under a carport anyway, so I'll be able to work. So yeah, guys, it's been a lovely one. It's been a long day for me, but about what, 10 to 15 minutes for you. Yeah, cheers. Bye-bye.